user in Windows. Hey guys, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this updated video, I'll show you how to create a user on Windows 10. It works on 11 too. You can choose admin privileges or not. So the process, folks, is very simple. In Windows, click the search bar below and type Control Panel. You can type Control Panel in English too, same result. Control Panel. I'll click Open here. Folks, some options will appear. If it's not like this, change view to large icons to make it easier. In large icons, you'll find User Accounts, this option here. Click it. Here's my account, a local and admin account. To create a new account, it's here, folks. Manage another account, this option. Here you'll see users on your Windows. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 user accounts here. To create a new account, look below. Add a new user in PC settings. Scroll down, folks, and click on Add someone else to this PC, this option. Here it asks for the person's Microsoft account. If you don't know it, folks, click I don't have this person's sign-in info. You're not required to use a Microsoft account. Here, since you don't know, it asks to create an account. But as I said, a Microsoft account isn't needed for a user account. So you can click here, folks, on Add a User without a Microsoft account. If you want to use an account, that's fine, folks. You can create one or use the person's Microsoft account. Since I don't know, I won't create a Microsoft account. I'll click this option instead. Here, you'll choose the name of the person who will use this computer, their username. You can set a password for this user, but it's not required. If you set a password, they'll need to enter it every time they log in. I'm not going to set any password, folks. I'll click Next below, and the person's account will be created. When you create an account, it's a local one, without many admin privileges. If you want to make it an admin account, just click on the user. Click Change Account Type and switch the default to Administrator. Then click OK. Remember, this person will have the same admin rights as you. So don't make just anyone an administrator. You can change it back to a standard user by clicking Change if you want. Standard user? OK. To remove it, click Remove this user account next to it. Click Delete Account and Data. That's it, folks. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care. God bless. Thanks.